Believe it or not, finance does not have to be complicated, and personal finance is especially crucial to be learned the right way, to build wealth and increase your net income so you can provide for yourself and your family. There are so many financial companies, investors, day traders, crypto experts, and news outlets that consistently tell you how to invest or save your money that sometimes the clear and smart decisions get lost in all that noise. We at Exodus Capital take our steps differently. We start to get away from the casual conversation about what you should do with your money, but rather we investigate what's going on in your personal lives so your finances are catered to you and you only. We bring your finances to new heights and put your financial story at the top of our to-do list so you'll be successful in your wealth journey. From large businesses to retirement plans, we at Exodus Capital cover a wide range of topics to ensure all parts of your wealth journey is covered. We have adequate calibration process to see your financial plans through a different lens to help you towards your true financial goal. With the digital sphere growing for business and employment, people have available opportunities through the touch of their smartphones. Exodus Capital's method for consultations and learning modules have adapted to the current trends that the economy is in. Let's say you have this dream clothing line that you want to produce, and to top that off, you want to start a brand with it. We at Exodus Capital can help you on the digital marketing front with our courses that fit the current ways that successful businesses are using. Our courses will help you with making a business plan, attracting potential investors, and how to let your business keep up with the current market standards. Or in case you just want to save up for the retirement and have some vacation money on the side, we can assist you with what insurances are available and what assets you can put your money today to ensure a reliable return of investment in the future. Additionally, our financial experts will hold your hand the whole way until you're comfortable with handling your finances and all other parts of your business. We don't just treat like there are 100 similar cases like you. We at Exodus Capital believe that everyone's financial venture is unique. Optimization is our key to making sure you are successful in your financial venture. We will not force everyone on a path that can work only for others. You can grow at your own pace that is aligned with your passion and how you settle your decisions. If you are a risk taker, we can set up a program for you that will involve an extent of risk, but not to the point of losing everything. Likewise, for more conservative approaches, we ensure that calculated risks are taken to maximize results. We offer different learning courses that might fit your current career or future one. If you want to try a business that is all about sitting through your computer and building a competitive business, you can. With our e-commerce course, from the basics to advanced ones in landing new deals and competing with others, we can teach you and help you along the way. For marketing and creating engagement, our social media marketing course can help you extend your product, services, or following extend to millions of people. Our advisors have the fittest experience in managing finances and raising businesses. When you are still new to investing and starting businesses, Exodus Capital can help you with that. We have videos that are set for beginners like social media marketing, e-commerce, real estate investing, and other forms of investing assets. If you're in college and between classes or during your working breaks, in one tap you can view our videos and start learning the right way. As a digital nomad or working at home, our lessons online are available all the time. Additionally, our staff can be contacted as our customer support is trained to have your questions answered in a quick and accurate manner. We at Exodus Capital are different from most financial advisors because our modern approach to business and investing. We try to be a suite of all things digital for you and your personal financial adventure or your business. We want our clients to become independent and will decide their financial endeavors on their own in the long run. Unlike traditional financial advisors, we do not want to babysit our clients for the sake of recurrence. Our goal is to make you independent and see exponential growth. We aim to introduce them to new ways of dealing with funds and making decisions that will put their money into safe hands. We also want them to embody a mindset that is always playing safe with investments and making smart choices. As always, we provide sound and smart financial advice to ensure you're financially secure and wealthy for years to come. We offer many services in the field of investing and hold your hand the whole way. As you learn all there is to know about investing, feel free to book our free one-on-one consultation. Call with our financial consultants today.